Two cats and a mouse. One day, two cats were arguing over a piece of cheese. They kept fighting over how much each of them should get. A mouse was watching the argument. He called out to the cats and said he was willing to help them. He told them he would split it in half, and each cat would get one half. The cats handed the cheese over to the mouse. He split it in two pieces, but one of the pieces ended up larger than the other. Now the mouse nibbled on the larger piece and tried to make it equal, but it ended on smaller than the other. He kept nibbling on the cheese in attempts to make the equal, but he ended up eating all the cheese. He had tricked the cats, and when they asked him what he had done, he said that if they had split the cheese themselves, this wouldn't have happened.